What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at the Tactile Turn Bolt Action Slim. This has been out for a little while now. I figured I'd hurry up and get it because Big Idea Design now has a slim version of their bolt action pen coming out in probably a couple months. So I wanted to get a jump on getting this one and checking it out and seeing how it works compared to the original bolt action short version. So let's go ahead and take a good look at both of these pens. So pretty much their standard packaging. There's where we got the titanium bolt action, proudly designed, machined, and assembled in Texas by Tactile Turn Company. Okay, let's get that sucker out. Oh yeah. Slim is definitely the word of the day. So you can see a pretty good difference in the overall thickness. And obviously they changed the pocket clip to more of a machined pocket clip versus your typical, almost your knife pocket clip. Still have the same machining all the way spiraling up. I'm not sure if the camera's really picking it up, but yeah, it's got the same machining, very nice machining. Makes it good to get your grip on. You can't even see where it meets. So very, very nice. It feels pretty good in the hand. I'm not sure that I care for the slimmer versions myself. I guess probably just because, so many EDC pens are thicker, and I've gotten used to the thickness of a typical EDC pen. Like the Fellhalter, which is something that I've been using for a long time, and you can obviously see a pretty big difference between them. But I will say it's very nicely done. You can see maybe it says Tactile Turn 2022. So yep, nice bolt action. Still slightly on the stiff side. And the good thing about the Tactile Turn is it's a nice fluid motion when you're activating it. So it's, even though it seems like it might be a little on the stiffer side, my only concern would be just the fact that it's putting so much pressure on your actual bolt is my main concern, again, because when it comes to a lot of like the Fellhalters, they have just enough spring to be super snappy, but not to the point where it feels like it's putting a lot of pressure on the bolt. But I guess that, is, but feels pretty good though. It like I said, it still has a good snappy action. So, and this is the version. This is basically the bolt action short, so again, it still comes with your typical Parker style insert, which, yeah, Easy Flow 9000M. I will probably swap that out for a 900 fine, just because a finer tip works better for me personally at work, but because I have to go through multiple layers. But other than that, it feels really good. I do like the pocket clips. I do like the machine pocket clips, as long as they have good retention. My only concern, again, same with this one here, is that machining on the barrel. It tends to be a pocket shredder, and when you're taking it in and out, you can feel it's almost like a zip tie. And it can be a bit of a pocket shredder. So that's something to keep in concern if you're sticking it into nice clothes. Over time, using it a lot, it is going to be a pocket shredder just because of that machining. So keep that in mind. But there you guys go. Let's put these all right there so you can kind of see. Okay guys, that is the Tactile turn bolt action short slim version. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you next time. Have a great day, guys.